Pana pana pong 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 pong. Alright, authenticity. I've wanted to make this video for quite a while actually. I know, authenticity is like overhyped by all the stupid softies who are like, question everything! Side point here that you haven't heard before but could genuinely benefit you. And is that while it's good to question stuff, when you have mentors, like it's better to just shut up and do what your mentors say. You'll make more progress that way. Bars. For example, if your mentor in mental health and YouTube is me, right? You should just shut up when I advise you in mental health and content creation. The same way that I would shut up when like a fitness coach who's got like a bigger chest than me asked me to like do bench press with biceps together or something. Or when my mom says like cut carrots this way or something. I mean, they're more experienced than me, so I'll just listen to them, right? I want you to internalize that. Anyway, I believe that authenticity, the journey of not really finding but molding yourself, is one of the greatest journeys that you'll ever go on. Finding and becoming a person who you're most comfortable with and you actually like what you see in the mirror. That is one of the best journeys that you'll ever go on. Psst, Jay here. Some of my friends launched a charity fundraiser for M&D Malaysia to help the poor elderly with motor neuron disease. You and I get to help hundreds of people, but that's not even the best part, bro. For every $1 that you donate, this fat ass here will have to run 100 meters, finally losing some weight. I'm so committed to this that when you get short form through the link below, right? Whatever amount you spend, I will fully match it in a personal donation of mine. So not only do you gain access to thousands of insightful book summaries, not only does this amount on screen get donated to charity from my own pocket, by the way, Joshua has to run. You can also donate 3 pennies by following these 3 accounts on screen. That's 30 meters paid from my own pocket as well. I will also verbally acknowledge and thank you if your donation includes the message, I really like garages, along with an interesting story. One last thing, that goal of 10k ringgit, right? Kinda small. Women don't have balls, but I do. So the goal's 10k USD now. 10k USD. Genuinely life-changing money. Like, I know I insult you every single video, but I'd just like to say thank you for watching this ad and in advance for all the upcoming donations. I'm so grateful and genuinely honored to have you give me this power to contribute to the world in my own small way at just 17, you know. I hope you join me through donating to genuinely transform the well-being of hundreds of lives. Thank you, more than words can say. Love you. Mwah. First, in order to find authenticity, we need to know its meaning. And I'm here to tell you why my definition of authenticity, well, which maybe isn't 100% correct, but it definitely 100% is more accurate than the ones that all these Reddit retards give, alright? A lot of them just say, be yourself, bro, and don't worry too much, bro. And yes, like self-reflection is good, don't get me wrong, but just think about, like, have a really good think about the parts of yourself that you consider true to you. Just really think about it. Like, let's say my purpose right now is content creation, right? Did it really come from me just not experiencing life and looking in myself and saying, oh, I don't even know about YouTube, but I want to do YouTube. Yeah. The purpose of your life really comes from external stuff and seeing if it matches your internal things. Like, did it really come from you, or did it come from you experiencing life, acquiring new knowledge, trying new activities, and then seeing it that all fits you? Definitely the latter, right? You can say you love yourself all you want, but if you don't do the actions needed for you to love yourself, all the good habits, it's just cause and effect. You won't actually love yourself. Simple as that. It's the same concept here. You won't actually know what living life and being authentic to yourself is if you don't have anything to reflect on, if you don't live your life, you know? So we can like define authenticity as simply as experiencing life and choosing what fits you. Authenticity really is a cycle, man, because in order to choose what fits you, you need to experience life. And you choose what fits you according to your set of values. You got the set of values from experiencing life, And you need to experience life in order to get the set of values in the first place, you know? So why is authenticity important? It's because that every single time that I've done actions that were authentic to me, I've seen growth. Whereas every action that wasn't authentic to me at all or was just to fulfill some cheap little desire has only brought me down. For example, like I started posting self-improvement videos in late 2023, even though I was getting clowned on by like my schoolmates and my friends because that was just authentic to me. If you go to those videos, some of them are still up there. They were bad, but they were what I really wanted to do. They were really what I was about. And sure enough, the channel grew to where it is right now, where it's retired my mom. All because I just posted one video and then posted another video and another one, all authentic to me. Anyways, and every time like I wasn't authentic to myself, like after I'd already grown, for example, with those 2 viral 1 million videos, I started making videos just to copy that. Videos that I actually didn't like making, just to try and replicate the success of past successes that I had. And guess what? They all flopped because I wasn't being true to myself. I stopped doing the self-improvement habits as much. I didn't bother to deal with all my insecurities that I've had for years. And I got attached to this girl who I didn't even like her for who she was. It was just for attention that I was missing. You can go watch this video if you want to find out more about it, I guess. Yeah, other stuff that like fucked my social life and made me feel like shit. Even when I was gaining like 1,000 subs a day, like for like a few days straight, I was gaining 1,000 new subscribers a day, like genuinely. And I made $1,000 in 1 month, which is like more than double of minimum wage here, all while I'm just yapping in my room. But I wasn't happy. You see all these people who show off life like they've got like everything that life has to offer, but you ever genuinely stop yourself to ask yourself if they were happy? Probably not, right? That's because they didn't have clear defined values, or at least didn't live their life according to themselves. That's why they're not happy. And don't get me wrong at all, money and status are good things that we should strive for. But if you want the number increase in your bank account to mean something, your character and values have to go up along with it. Someone who aligns their life to their values and their characters and their beliefs, which these beliefs must be open to slow growth, by the way, that's a winner right there. And it was only then that I had experiences like last December, for example, that I went to Europe then. That self-reflection and journaling actually helped me. All the good habits, when I was being authentic to myself, then I actually grew from that. That was when I started being authentic again, and this newfound authenticity led to me having even fucking greater success, bro. Maybe not in terms of views right now, but just overall life quality. My social life is so much better. I'm so much more mentally just good. Like, I know it's like this spiritual shit, like authenticity, helps you not only spiritually, but I also made more money. Like, it even helps you in your materialistic desires. Like, I started making actually good money from coaching others on how to grow their YouTube too. I'm currently making a full student life guide now, and it should be out by the time that you see this. Link in description, man. This shit will genuinely change your life. And because I compiled all the lessons that I've learned that allow me to live life to its absolute fullest, having fulfilled the promise from like 3 years ago that I'd get a 6-pack, having retired my mom, changing hundreds of lives. Like, I've got letters from people, handwritten by the way, emailed to me saying that they might have killed themselves if not for my work. If not, they might have not been here now if not for the work that I've done on YouTube. Like, that's real shit, man. Holy shit. And I get to wake up purposeful every day, knowing that I do meaningful work, and I put all the knowledge inside that full student life guide course that will genuinely change your life, man. Like, I'm not joking when I'm saying this course is genuinely going to change the lives of hundreds of men, at least hundreds of men around the world. It's fucking insane how fulfilled you become when you just do actions that are authentic to you. All this like newfound zest in my life just from doing stuff that's true to me. And like, I'm just going to be me. And if you like who that is, then let's grow together, man. Work hard and let's see how far we can take it.